Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shiny and in today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So last month Plum Goodness hosted a giveaway. It was their Prism Break giveaway and I participated in the giveaway and I won rupees 3000 worth of voucher from them. So the rules were that you have to create a look with their Nature Studio Kajal, and I did this look. I entered with this picture and I won. So as a giveaway prize I received 3000 rupees worth of voucher from them, and they also gave me a coupon code, and I ended up buying a lots of products from their website. So when I received the parcel, I asked you guys on Instagram that will you be interested in an unboxing video, and you said yes. So hence I'm doing this video. This will be a very short and quick video. I'm going to show you all the products that I have received, and that's it. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. It will mean a lot to me. So this is the big box that I have received. So these are all the products that I have ordered from their website. So some of the products here I have already used in the past. These are one of my favorite from Plum Goodness, and also these are part of my everyday skincare routine, so I repurchased them. And some of the products are absolutely new to me. I haven't used this before, so let's see. First I have here is these. This one is the grapeseed and sea buckthorn night cream. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is the product. So I have been using these for last 2 months now and I'm really loving it. So as you guys already know, I have a very dry skin. That's why I use their grapeseed and sea buckthorn range. I am using this night cream for the last 2 months and I'm really impressed with it. So I repurchased this again. So the next product is their grapeseed and sea buckthorn face oil. You guys know this is one of their best selling products and I have been using this for the last 2 months and I'm really loving it. This is really suitable for people who suffers from dry skin. So with the night cream I use this also. First I apply this and then I apply the night cream. So the next product is their grapeseed and sea buckthorn mild face scrub. So this one I haven't used before, so I ordered this and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to show you the packaging. So the next product is their hand cream. So I wanted to use their hand cream for a long time, and I picked up this one. This is Vienna Coffee. So I'm using this for the past 2 weeks and oh my god, I'm in love with it. I mean, I'm definitely going to repurchase this, and this smells so good and it's really moisturizing. I mean, people who suffers from dry hands will know that a face cream or a body lotion doesn't do the job. So a hand cream is very much necessary for people who suffers from dry hands. So I thought I give it a try and I'm really impressed with the product, and I think I will definitely repurchase this. So the next product is their green tea face mist. This is again one of their best selling product, and I am already using their sea buckthorn face mist and I really love it, but that one is designed for dry skin, so it's a little heavy sometimes. So I thought I picked this one up because I think it's meant for mostly for oily skin and it will be a little lighter. so that's why I picked it up. I have used the mini version in the past and I really loved it, so I picked up the bigger size bottle this time. The next product that I've picked up is the Nature Studio Kajal, and this is the shade Black Brilliance, and I have used this one before, so this time I picked another one. The shade is Gemstone Green. I haven't used this one before, so I thought I'd give it a try. So I'm going to open these and swatch it for you guys. This is Black Brilliance. And this one is the Gemstone Green. So I'm really impressed with the shade. I mean, it's really pretty. It has a blue tint. It's not a regular typical green eyeliner. So that's all the product that I have ordered, but they also sent me 2 hand sanitizer with my box, and this is 70% alcohol formula Hello Aloe no stick hand cleansing gel. So that's it for today, guys. That's all the product that I've purchased with the voucher, and I really hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any more queries, feel free to DM me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.